We are now under the East River, entering the airlock through which the workers must pass before going into the tunnel itself. Inside this sealed steel chamber, the men are put slowly under pressure, equal to that in the tunnel, about 30 pounds to the square inch. Once the lock pressure equals the tunnel pressure, the men are released from the lock, and the crews go to work. It requires great skill to put the steel plates rapidly in place. The pressure limits the time the men can stay down here. But the work goes on without a hitch, and the tunnel, which is more than a mile long, will be finished in 1932. After that, the tracks, now in use, will be replaced by tracks over which subway trains will carry millions from lower New York to Brooklyn.